Go there.
So, what do you have there?
So, we got plants from Plant Collective. We kept seeing the ad on our feed and we got curious. It took forever to come, but it's finally here. Oh, it's there. Is there a picture on it? Anyways, so now I'm kind of curious to see if the plants are in good shape. It looks like they're very protected by this hay kind of thing. I don't know what that is. Oh, so they all wrapped it. Okay. So we got a mix of a bit everything, right? So tropical plants and succulent. So here's one.
What is that?
I don't know.
I think that's a spider plant.
It's ocean. I don't know, an ocean plant?
Pretty sure that's a spider plant.
I don't like spider plants. It's called Chlorophytum laxum. So they protect it with like all these things too. I'm actually really surprised. They very well wrapped it. So yeah. Isn't it cute?
Yeah.
How many plants did we get in this?
I don't know, find out.
Okay. Oh, we got air plants too. I need to make sure I didn't throw any of these. So the cool thing with air plants is like they're so easy to care for. Isn't it cute?
Although we managed to kill one.
Yeah, because we actually forgot it for like a long time.
Oh, this is like the one we had.
Yeah, so that's the one we killed. And there's a bunch of various size. Oh, this one's a little bit broken. So if you see like that little part. And another one. They're actually very small. So I'm wondering if, do you know how many there was?
5.
So we got 1, yeah, we have 5. So they have various sizes. And you can mix the size, right?
Yeah.
So you selected the size you want. It's a bit messy. Oh, I think this one's broken. Oh, it's like a little bit squished. I don't know. Maybe with the sun, it's gonna go back up.
Yeah, should be fine.
This one's pretty fat. But yeah, see this leaf is broken a little bit. But I mean, overall, not too bad. Another succulent. Yo, there's so many. Yeah, some of them are broken. I can see leaves. This is a pretty common succulent. And then this one is completely broken. I don't know what went on. Like, a lot of the leaves fell off. Yeah, so I think the plants that are put against the box there, but ow, it's a fucking cactus. I have like all over my finger. Well, that wasn't smart. Be careful with succulent, guys. And then this cute one looks like a pineapple top. Isn't it cute? Yeah, we have so many. This is so cool. That's like another version of the other succulent. So this one is like the lower plants are in pretty good shape, I would say. Is this an aloe? Oh, this one needs to be watered. Yo, you got so many. And then I think the tropical plants are a little bit more protected than the succulent.
Yeah, because they're more fragile. The succulent, even if it's broken, it will grow back.
So cute. I didn't know you got so many. Like now we're gonna be officially plant daddies. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Don't unfold it. So cool.
Yeah. Gonna have to clean them after, but it's really cute. I like this one. And then there's two more.
Careful.
And
Ooh. This one looks like a fake plant.
I don't know, like, do you know if they're all easy to care for?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the rubber plant. We have a big version of this.
Oh, we do. Looks pretty healthy.
Cute. So many plants.
Yeah, look at that. Wow.
Are you happy with the plants?
Pretty happy. Yeah. That's a pretty good deal too. How much was that?
It's like $125 in total.
Yeah, that's a pretty good deal, I think. It was a bit slow, but got here in pretty good shape. So yeah, try it out. We'll post a link.